you've been waiting for the absolute best time of the year to sign up for DreamHost, this is it. DreamHost Black Friday deal is officially live, and right now you can get hosting for as low as $1.99 per month, plus a free domain name and even a free handcrafted website included, which is an insane value, especially if you're looking to launch a blog, business website, or WordPress site. Before we jump in, click the link below in the description to lock in this Black Friday pricing, because once the sale ends, pricing goes back up. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, may not receive a commission from DreamHost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome DreamHost discount. DreamHost rarely discounts this much, and this year's Black Friday sale is huge. For a limited time, they're offering their lowest pricing across multiple hosting terms, and they're including a free domain name, SSL, email options, and that handcrafted website, which saves you a ton of setup time and cost. DreamHost offers 3 web hosting plans, and during this Black Friday sale, you get the best pricing on the 4-year term. Here's how the pricing breaks down. Web hosting launch plan as low as $1.99 a month, perfect for personal sites, blogs, or small businesses. You get a free domain name, SSL, fast performance, and great support. Web hosting growth plan as low as $3.49 a month. This one gives you more power, more resources, priority support, and is ideal if you plan to grow, add more content, or expect higher traffic. Web hosting scale plan as low as $7.99 a month. This is the most powerful plan and includes advanced features, better scalability, and more performance for larger sites or online businesses. The biggest savings come with the 4-year term, but the 2-year and 1-year plans are also discounted heavily. So if you don't want to commit long term, you still save a lot compared to regular pricing. Here's everything included during the Black Friday promotion. Hosting as low as $1.99 a month, free domain name for the first year, free SSL certificate, free handcrafted website setup, 24/7 support, fast performance optimized for WordPress, beginner-friendly dashboard. This makes DreamHost an awesome beginner-friendly option, especially if you don't want to deal with complicated setup steps or expensive add-ons. This deal is perfect if you're starting a brand new website, moving from another host, starting a blog, business site, online store, or portfolio. Creating a long-term project where you want the biggest savings up front. If you plan to keep your website for more than a year, that 4-year pricing strategy gives you the best return because your rate stays locked in even after the Black Friday sale ends. So if you want to grab this deal before it disappears, click the link below to get DreamHost Black Friday pricing, hosting starting at just $1.99 a month, plus a free domain name and a free handcrafted website. If you have questions about the right plan for your situation, drop a comment below and I'll help you choose. Thanks for watching and happy website building.